Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, third generation, years 2002 to 2010. And if you guys have problems with your transfer case motors or differential locks, we'll show you where all your fuses are located. I think you have like 6 or 7 fuses. Stay with us guys, we'll cover all of them today. In the meantime guys, all the parts and tools that we use in our videos guys will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get them for amazing price. In addition guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so our goal is to teach you guys fix your car for free so you can save money guys. Please subscribe to the channel. All the electrical videos will be on this channel, and the mechanical videos on a Porsche Cayenne could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. So please give a thumb up. Now we have guys, we have 3 fuses on the left side for the transfer case. So when you open your door, this is your fuse cover. Remove that cover with a plastic panel to pry it out. Now we have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. 5 clips. Those are the fuse numbers. We need to check guys fuse number 22 and fuse number 23. So those will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4th and 5th from left to right. We do not have those. Depending on your options, you may have them, you may not. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right here it says 22, 23. Ours are missing. Now we need to find fuse number. Another fuse could be guys fuse number 47. And you can see we do not have that one too. Fuse number 47. Could be another fuse. Depending on your options level and which package you have, you may have those fuses, you may not. So that's why guys, you always should check all of them. Now we'll go to the passenger side of the vehicle now guys. Passenger side, and we have 3 more fuses. Now right here we have the same cover now. Pull it open. Fuse number 7 now. Fuse number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So will be the 7 one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 5M fuse guys, this is one of them. This is one of the fuses. Now another fuse guys is fuse number 40. Fuse number 40, 3rd one, right here. So 1, 2, 3, this 10M fuse. The 3rd one from left to right. And number 57 guys, it's a huge fuse, big fuse, number 57. This is your main fuse, so check this one as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.